KNUST-TEK TV. Experience educational television.
The 2024 Earthen Architecture workshop took place at KNUST Kumasi-Ghana from 14th to 18th October. The activities included roundtable discussions, exhibitions, charrette, and guided tours around selected areas in Ashanti region. The theme for this year's workshop was Heritage, Climate and Built Environment. The workshop looked at how heritage, climate, and the different culture intersect, ways of improving earthen architecture, and to encourage the use of earthen materials in the country. Partners of the 2024 workshop were the Columbia University, the Faculty of Built Environment, KNUST, the Ghana Museum and the Monument Board, Amstead and the World Monument Fund. On Tuesday, October 15th, the workshop began with a presentation from the World Monuments Fund, Mr. Stephen Battle.
Are there things that GMB can do to ensure that the stewardship of those shrines is made more sustainable, is improved? Because there are earthen structures, finally, and they do require some level of maintenance in order to endure.
He spoke about the role of the World Monuments Fund play in ATBs, the challenges and the ways of improving the ATBs. The workshop continued with a roundtable discussion on selected topics by experts in the selected fields. Wednesday, October 16th, began with a guided tour to Mfensi. Members of the workshop conducted survey to gain the inhabitant knowledge about the use of earthen architecture as well as their willingness to reside or have activities in them. The day continued with a visit to Tanokwesi Shrine at Asenemaso, the Etuakosua Kwame Shrine at Edwinase. Surveys were also conducted to gain the residents' knowledge on historical ATBs in the community. The participants of the workshop on Thursday, October 17th, embarked on a full-day guided tour to various Ashanti traditional building sites, the Tano Kojo Shrine at Kentin-Krono, the Kwesi Sima Shrine at Adakujachi, the Tano Subono Shrine at Ebirem, the Saman Kwajo Shrine at Saman, and some earthen architecture building site at Abetinim. On Friday, 18th October, participants of the workshop had a charrette. The members of the workshop were divided into groups and were assigned to work on an earthen architecture structure for the Ghana Museum and Monument Board's office in Ashanti region.
My name is Sidovi Prai, current Master of Architecture graduate from KNUST.
I'm Sefa Samuel Amwateng.
And I'm Evanston Akono.
I'm a Master of Architecture student and currently a teaching and research assistant.
I am a painting and sculpture graduate and a teaching assistant as well.
My name is Lauren Zimmerman. I am a Columbia University student. I study architecture.
I participated in the Earthen Architecture workshop organized by KNUST and Columbia, and I've had a very nice experience. I've learned a lot that I didn't really know in Earthen Architecture. We visited a lot of nice places, the African traditional buildings in Asanemaso, at Kentin-Krono.
This was a nice experience because since my undergrad studies, I've been designing with rammed earth, and being able to experience this was something quite amazing, and I loved it, every single part of it. It educated me on a lot of stuff and how different ways all these things can be done.
I must admit that this has been a really amazing opportunity to get to meet new friends, get to meet intellectuals, and very warm and vibrant space to share ideas, brainstorm, converse, come up with new projects. It's really inspiring, especially to collaborate with other students from other continents. Is one of the biggest opportunities I've ever gotten in my undergrad years to be part of, and I'm really proud I was selected to be part of this project.
My expectations going into this week were, to do a workshop, meet fellow students from diverse backgrounds, and hopefully see a few things along the way.
The workshop ended with presentations of certificates to members of the workshop by dignitaries present.
Tech TV. Experience educational television.